Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff and a lot of Mitsubishi stuff. If you're new to the channel, feel free to browse all kinds of videos on my YouTube channel. Also, a subscribe button click would be much appreciated. So today in this video, we'll have a look at this. So all new Outlanders, at least in Canada, are equipped with a small subtle feature that not a lot of people know that exists. It's called headlamp washer system. So it's this little basically square right here. We're gonna have a look in a slow motion briefly here. It basically pops out and it washes the headlight. There is one or two things you need to know how it operates, because it might not seem to operate under certain conditions. So if you found that you don't think it operates for you, there might be a setting or a thing you need to know. We'll get to it in a second. Now let's have a look at the slow motion, how it looks when it sprays the fluid on the headlamp. So just the way we just saw, so basically it's pretty cool. This thing popped out and sprayed once and then the second time. So it always sprays twice. Now, here's the trick. Not every time is gonna spray, right? So it's always linked together with your windshield washer fluids, right? If you do want to activate this, you have to pull the windshield windshield wiper fluid. But even if you do so, not always it will work, and here's why. This will always work together with headlights, right? So if, let's say, your lights are on auto and only your daytime running lights are running, this won't work. So it always is going to work with your headlights on. So let me show you from inside of the vehicle what I mean. So just for a visual reference that you know. So we have two settings for the lights right here, correct? So one is auto. So basically what happens here, during the day you run on the daytime running lights, and then as the light sensor senses, it switches to your headlights automatically, right? So when that happens, then basically those washers are going to be activated as well. If you switch manually to low beam, this will work no matter if it's day or night. So this one, then once you pull the windshield wiper fluids, right? So this will actually work 100% of the time with those headlight washers. On auto, it depends. If you have it left on auto during the day, it won't work. During the night, it will work. So it's a little bit of a trick that you need to keep in mind, right? So let's say a practical applications would be, for me personally, I always drive with auto lights on, and then if you drive during the day, you have auto lights on, you pull the windshield wipers, you want to wash your windshield, this spray comes out, it's going to be only on windshield, it won't be on your headlights, right? If it's night, it's going to be on the windshield and on the headlights, right? Or alternatively, just the way we looked at, if you switch it manually to low beam, it will work always, right? For our demonstration purposes, what I did, I started the car, put manually into low beams. That's why it worked. So again, this is just one of those little tricks, like maybe you didn't even know that you have these headlight washers, or maybe you caught it sometimes working, sometimes not working. Now in both scenarios, you know what the solution and what the trick is to it. So awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next videos.